something, Darla. I'm not like those guys. I'm in touch with my feminine side.
Savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, yeah.
Oh, what's up you guys? It's me again, Kenneth. Welcome back to my channel. I'm glad you answered my call and hopefully you're doing great today, and make sure to hit that subscribe button, also the notification bell beside if you haven't already, so you'll be updated whenever I uploaded a new video, most probably aesthetic contents. I know a lot of you guys are just hate this kind of long intros just based on what I've seen on the comments on my previous videos. Please include me there because I do also hate this kind of long intros. So yeah, I'm really sorry about that. Starting today, I'll try my best to avoid talking too much so you guys will never get that bored. So anyways, for today's video, finally, I'm gonna be teaching you guys the steps on how I edit my iOS notification intro, the mobile version. You know what? I've actually gotten a lot of comments and DMs coming from you guys asking me to do this kind of intro after I've uploaded the desktop version of this tutorial. I'll also link it up here on the cards popping up into your screen, also down below. I've also gotten a lot of messages from you guys sending me your amazing works, showcasing your own style of editing this kind of intro, and felt so flattered and grateful because somehow I guess I did my part in helping you guys to create your own intro. In exchange, I'll be giving away a special package of iOS notification intro, including the background, the sound effects, the music, and of course the custom iOS notification template that I've made specially for you guys. I'll be giving it away to those lucky 5 subscribers, so you better stay up until the end because I'll be telling you guys the instruction on how you can join at the end of this tutorial. So yeah, without no further ado, let's hop right into the tutorial. Enjoy! So a lot of you guys are asking me where I do get those amazing non-copyrighted music that I used on my videos. I suggest you to try out the 𝕻𝖆𝖘𝖚𝖚𝖚.com. Again, this is not sponsored, I'm just telling you guys the perfect site where you can get those amazing non-copyrighted music for free. I'll just put the link of my video discussing this kind of matter down on the description box so you just can try it out. So in terms of sound noises that I use here in my intro, I just use these two common sound effects. The first one is this iMessage sound effect thing, and of course the iOS notification ringtone. Both of them can be found here in YouTube, so you can just search it up and convert it into audio format, and yeah, there you have it. You can now proceed to our last step.
Let me tell you something, Darla. I'm not like those guys. I'm in touch with my feminine side.
And that's probably it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed and learned new stuffs. I know some of you guys might find this tutorial a little bit confusing or complicated, but trust me, just like what I've said in my previous video, practice will never betray you. Don't stop on practicing and practicing your work. Editing is kind of trial and error thing, so it might be that hard or difficult at first, but in the long run, you just get into it. Anyways, picking up the giveaway, all you need to do is to subscribe here on my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and click the notification bell beside so you'll be updated once I uploaded a new tutorial or aesthetic contents. Second is follow me on my social media accounts, link will be listed down below. And lastly, comment your IG or any social media accounts where I could send you the special package of iOS notification intro. So yeah, I guess that's probably it. Again, thank you for watching, stay motivated, and hope to see you on my next videos. Keep safe everyone, good luck, and bye-bye.